Call it turbo country here at Berrima Diesel. Got a 70 series in for a turbocharger. 100 series sitting there. We're just a bit busy, so we'll get to them. And just warming them up to get the frost off. This one here, lovely Ford Maverick, getting picked up by the customer. You can see we've done the turbo system on this now already. Nice, neat and tidy. If everything's neat and tidy, it means it's going to be reliable and last a long time. But the key really comes down to, in the end, down on that fuel injection pump. If things are set incorrectly, then everything's going to fail badly. The turbocharger is the least of the problems. The guy on the end of that fuel screw is where it all comes to gutser. So please, if you're getting a turbocharge somewhere, make sure conservative is kept in mind. Otherwise it'll blow up, and that's fine if you love spending money on engine rebuilds, but I don't like doing that myself, and I'm sure most of our customers don't either. But tuned correctly, lasts a really long time. It's an old Maverick now, this one. Yeah, probably doesn't even make sense to some of you young fellas that didn't even know there was such a thing as a Ford Maverick, but they've been around for quite a while. Bit of a badge swap with Nissan and Ford, and here's one in just done with a turbocharger. The new manifold, crossover pipe, air cleaner housing, everything sort of goes original back on there and connects up all neat and tidy. Here we are up at the workshop. Good old Tilba pub, love that one. Bits and pieces everywhere at the moment with turbocharger going on, crossover in, Baden's crawling around underneath there. There's some of the bits and pieces done on the side already, another Nissan Turbo. So that's 4 of them sitting in here at the moment. Pretty darn busy. Well, that's what happens, I guess, when we have a pandemic. So I'm Andrew from Berrima Diesel. You can see more of these videos. Keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about turbocharging your diesel.